take these trim clips out right here. There's some over here as well. If you want to take the whole panel down, you can take them all out. Just use a trim tool, pop the center out, pop the rest out, slide the panel out. This lever might be in your way, just twist it to the side. The handle, and slide that out. Take these two 10mm nuts off. And this one. Grab the reflector and just slide it up. There is some push pins holding it in. Take the new one, slide it in position, and just press it in. Should be able to lock it in place. And put the nuts on. And tighten them up. Just snug. I'm gonna pull this retainer off here. Just use a trim tool. Just make it easier to install. I'm gonna take this panel. And line it up. Slide the handle through the panel. And put all your push clips back in. And take this retainer, lock that in place. It just goes just like that.